Hi, welcome to Brainy Burst. This is Premvada and we are going through the HTML5 tutorials. So today we are going to see the MathML. There are some formulas in mathematics. So how to put these formulas in HTML page. So that we'll see in MathML. Basically, you have to include this particular script for this math to run over there. So otherwise your math functions will not, or whatever you say, it will not be loaded. So we have there are few examples. We have Pythagorean theorem, a square plus b square equal to c square. So this is the formula for it. Every code has to come in math. After that, the number of rows that we want. Another thing, this is the operator. Mo is the operator, and your mi and mn is basically your superscripts is 2. So this way you can write it. Another thing, you have the matrix. So I'll show you the demo for it, then you will understand. Supposingly I have 4 things to print. This is the matrix x, y, z, w. Then the Pythagorean theorem, a square plus b square equals to c square. The quadratic formula we have, and the cosine formula basically. So these 4 formulas we want to print. So what we have done, we have first included the source file for this. Another thing, like for the matrix, what I did, I want a equal to, I have written mi and then mo. Then a kind of a table, I want it to be fenced. So I did the square I want for it, open and close. After that, I want a table type of thing. So mtr and mtd for this. These mtr is for row, mtd is for the cell of that particular math table. So this way you can, if you want, you can also include it if I want it 2 by 3 matrix, that also I can do. So this will be your 3rd row over here. So like this, you can write it the way you want. After that, we have the Pythagorean theorem. This is the normal. We have a row, m row, and we only have a single row for this. So mo for the, we want to put the operators in that. So for that we use it. And after that we have a square, then for mi and mn. For that you can use it. So like this, you can put n number of operators and n number of if you want to put a square plus b square c plus c square equal to something like that, you can write. After that we have the quadratic formula. So this is basically x equal to, then 1 row and then 2nd row, you can say. So first you'll have the main row, then x equal to, then a kind of, I want a fraction in that. This one is your fraction. So for the fraction, the first row, this row, minus b plus minus. So for this you want to write mo, then mi, then mo. These are the things for hyphen. So then you have the rows for it. So then b square, then again you have this minus sign. So this particular thing is used for minus sign, and this is used for plus minus. So then 4ac. So like this you can write it. So again, the next row in this particular fraction will be your 2-way. So this way you can write your quadratic formula. Like we'll see for cosines now. So this formula is basically for cosines. It's we have only 1 row in this, so there is only 1 m row element in this. After that we want to write cos. We have written cos. After that, this is basically for the square braces. So after that I have written another row type thing, that is like a square, and then the plus sign, this one, this is for theta, then plus, then again, so it will make a syntax for it like this. After that I have equal to sign, then again I have a cos. So like this you can make your own formula for that. So like this you can use the MathML in your web page. Like sometimes you want to create a website of like mathematics, using mathematics, or like that, you can use these MathML elements and you can just design your web page. Thanks and have a nice day.